Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, my name is One Cheap Compadre. If you're new, at the end of this segment, if you can, give me a thumbs up. Also, become a new subscriber and bring other new subscribers to my channel. And if you can, make sure to hit the bell. Today, I decided to make a few videos on investing because right now is the time to invest. So today's topic will be on how to take advantage of the falling stock market with E-Trade. Okay, now I know there's many other brokers accounts out there, Robinhood, N1 Financial, Vanguard, but the one that I'm used to and I've been using for over 12 years is E-Trade because it's very easy to use, pretty straightforward, and it's user friendly. So now is the time to invest because this will separate the real investors from the amateurs. Now, there's some steps that I follow when it comes to investing. The first step I follow is, and this is the one of the number one steps that I follow, is that I do not invest when the stock market goes up. Now, you may think that that is a no-brainer, or maybe you may think, why should someone not invest when the stock market goes up? And I'm gonna tell you why. Think about it. When you invest when something's going up, that means the more it is, the less stocks or less shares you can buy. The cheaper the stock is, a share is, the more you can buy. You see how that works? So if you can buy, say for example, you have Apple that's going for $300-400 right now. If you can get that for half the price and you only have $300 on you, then guess what? If it's going for $100, you can get 3 shares opposed to the stock going for $300 when you can only buy 1. You see how that works? Number 2, now is the time to put money on the side. And I'm going to tell you why. You want to put more money on the side and let that grow until you see that discount on that particular stock that you want to buy. Because like I said in step 1, the cheaper it is, the more you can buy, the more money you can make. You see how that works? Okay, so as you're watching the market, keep putting money away and keep saving. And then once you start dropping the stock market, that's when you jump in, and that's when you buy, and that's when you make more money. And that's what separates the amateur from the real investor. Step 3, put money in dividends. Once again, only put your money in dividends, not individual stocks. And I'm going to tell you why. Now, if you invest in dividends, if the stock market goes up, you make money. If the stock market goes down, you make money. Okay, because those type of companies, you invest in them, they pay you a dividend. Now, depending on when they pay you, you have to find that out. You have to do some research. Okay, you got to find out, do they pay monthly? Do they pay you quarterly? Or do they pay you annually? Now, in a lot of my videos, I always say I like to buy stocks monthly. And I'm going to tell you why. Because Many a times I invested in stocks, and many companies decide on shortening the dividend, or they do a short sale where you could lose money. And usually when you lose money is when you decide to invest for annual return. So that's why I like to do it monthly, so I can get as much money up front monthly. Okay. Now when you start investing in dividends and you get paid monthly, quarterly, or annually, what you can do is you can use that money that you get paid monthly, quarterly, or annually and reinvest that money. And when you're reinvesting, you're reinvesting back into that company. And since the stock market is going down, that means you can get it for much cheaper. You see how that works? So all around, it's a win-win. When it goes up, it's a win. When it goes down, it's a win. And you're still going to make money regardless because of the dividend. And you can reinvest that, and you can even buy more of that particular company's stock, and you can have more shares at a much cheaper price. Step number 5. This is not the time to start selling your stocks. Hold off from selling. Hold them. If you can, just continue buying more of that particular company you have. Just hold and continue investing in those companies. Just let it keep falling, and you just keep investing. Keep investing. Okay? And just watch it grow. Just keep watching it grow. One thing that really should be number 1, and I think we all need to work on, is being patient. As they say, patience is a virtue. Okay? When it comes to patience, that's when you're working on being calm, thinking with your mind and not your heart. Okay? Because when it comes to investing, it's a mind game, not emotional game. Because if you get emotional, that's when you start selling. Okay? And when you start selling, that's when you lose out on the money that you could have made. Okay? So just hold tight, be patient, let it keep going down, and you keep investing and keep buying up those cheap stocks. Okay? When it comes to the flus, all right, as long as I've been alive, there's been many flus. The bird flu, corona flu, whatever you name, there's always a flu. And eventually, you know what happens to those type of flus? You don't hear about them anymore. All of a sudden, they just disappear. Okay, eventually they come up with the vaccine. If anything, we should be investing in vaccines. I think that's where we need to go. All right, because you got all these people dying, and this would be a perfect time to be able to have the vaccine and be able to cure people, because you'll be making a whole lot of money right now. Believe me. Okay, so just hold tight. This soon will pass. The virus will soon pass, and then we'll be talking about some other virus. Okay, but this is the time to take advantage of the market. When it goes down, that's when you jump, and that's when you buy. Not when you have it when it's going up, because that's the wrong time to buy, because things are more expensive, and that means less you can buy. The cheaper it is, the more you can buy and the more money you can make. You see how that works? Okay, like I said, this is the time when you're really going to separate the actual people who are real investors and those who are amateurs. Okay, one last thing. Do not buy stocks. Only buy stocks that you already own. Once again, do not buy new stocks. Only keep contributing to the stocks you already have. All right? So if your stocks are down right now, continue investing in those stocks. Do not start buying new stocks or other stocks. Just continue buying the stocks that you already have. Okay? So those are the steps that I follow. If there's any other steps that you can think of, put it down at the bottom. Let me know. I'm always open to learning as well. It's not just me giving out information. Also, I like to learn too. I mean, let me know and hit me the things that I may not know that'll help me make more money. And yeah. One last thing. When I invest, I like to show people how to invest, but at the same time, certain things I do not show when it comes to investing on social media. And that is, I do not share certain stocks that I invest in. Why I do that and why I kind of frown on other YouTubers who do that is because it doesn't allow for you, the investor, to do your own research and find out stocks that work for you. Just because I have stocks that I invest in does not mean that those stocks will be good for you. Okay? Your situation may be different from mine. So what I can do is have a video where how I go about looking for stocks. But when it comes to a video and me showing the stocks I invest in, that's a no-no, because a true investor does not show you what kind of stocks they invest in. They try to teach you and help you find stocks that work for you. Until then, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to subscribe. Become a subscriber to my channel. Until then, have a great day.